Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Patekar Alka Narayan from Mahatma Phule Vidyalaya Lavle, Taluka Mulshi, District Pune. Today we are going to continue study of Mathematics Standard 8, Chapter 2, Parallel Lines and Transversal. In this chapter, today we are going to learn the examples in practice set 2.2. In previous video, we saw a properties of parallel lines and transversal and the examples. Now we are continuing the examples in practice set 2.2. Question number 2. In the adjoining figure, line P parallel to line Q and line T and line S are the transversals. Find the measure of angle X and Y using the measures of the angles given in the figure. Here in figure, line P parallel to line Q is given and line T and line S are the transversal and the angle given is angle X and angle Y, and one angle measure is 40 degree and 70 degree. Solution. You first observe the figure and find the relation between the angles formed on transversals. If we take a line P parallel to line Q and line T is the transversals, angle formed on transversal T are X and 40. So linear pair with angle X, B, we have taken here angle A, and vertically opposite 270 degree is B. Here on transversal angle A, linear pair with angle X, and angle B is vertically opposite to 70 degree. If we have taken line P parallel to line Q and T is the transversal, observe the angles on transversal T. Here angle A and angle 40. What is the relation between this angle 40 and angle A? So angle A and angle 40 is a pair of corresponding angle. Corresponding angles are congruent. Therefore, angle A is equal to 40 degree. Here reason is corresponding angles. Then what is the relation between this angle A and X? Angle A and X is a linear pair. We know the property of linear pair. Linear pairs of the angles are supplementary. Means addition of these two angles is 180 degree. So angle A plus angle X is equal to 180 degree. Here reason is linear pair. We know the value of A is 40 degree. So substitute the value of A is 40 plus angle X is equal to 180. Transfer this 40 to opposite side. It becomes angle X is equal to 180 minus 40. Therefore, angle X is equal to 140. Then line P parallel to line Q and S is the transversal. So observe the angles on transversal S. Here angle B and 70 degree is a opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are congruent. Therefore, angle B is equal to 70 degree. Reason is vertically opposite angles. Then we have to find the value of Y. Observe the figure and find the relation between angle Y and B. Here letter C is formed. So angle Y and B is a pair of interior angle. We know interior angles are supplementary. Therefore, angle Y plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Reason is interior angles. Then substitute the value of B is 70 degree. Therefore, Y plus 70 is equal to 180. Transfers this plus 70 to opposite side. It becomes minus. Therefore, y is equal to 180 minus 70. Therefore, y is equal to 110. So, the answer is angle x is equal to 140 degree and angle y is equal to 110 degree. Question number 3. In the adjoining figure, line P parallel to line Q. Here in figure, line P parallel to line Q and line L parallel to line M. This is a line L parallel to line M. Find the measure of angle A, B and C. Using the measure of given angles, justify your answers. Here angle given is, one angle is 80 degree, angle A, B and C. For solving this example, you first read and observe the figure and find the pairs of angles which you know. Find the relation between the angles. First you observe parallel line P and Q and line L is the transversal. So solution, line P parallel to line Q and line L is the transversal. The angles on transversal L is AT and A. So what is the relation between these two angles? Here letter C is formed. So AT and angle A is a pair of interior angle. So interior angles are angle A and angle AT are interior angles. Interior angles are supplementary. So angle A plus AT is equal to 180 degree. Transfer this AT to opposite side. So therefore angle A is equal to 180 minus 80. Therefore angle A is equal to 100 degree. Then for angle B and C, the figure is given line L parallel to line M and line P parallel to line Q. Here, if line L parallel to line M and P is the transversal and angle given are angle C and angle AT. So observe the figure and find the relation between these two angles. So angle C and angle AT are formed on the exterior part of the parallel line. So angle C and angle AT is a exterior alternate angle. Line L parallel to M, line L parallel to line M and line P is the transversal. Therefore, angle C is equal to 80 degree exterior alternate angles. Then line P parallel to line Q and M is the transversal. On transversal, angle C and angle B is given. You observe the figure and find the relation between this angle C and angle B. Correct. Angle C and angle B are the corresponding angles. So, angle C is equal to angle B. Corresponding angles. Therefore, angle B is equal to 80 degree. We know the value of angle C is 80. Therefore, angle B also 80. So, the answers are angle A is equal to 100 degree, angle B is equal to 80 degree, angle C is equal to 80 degree. Question number 4. In adjoining figure, line A parallel to line B and line L is the transversal. Find the measure of X, Y and Z using the given information. So in figure, this line A parallel to line B is given and L is the transversal. Angle X, Y and Z is given and one angle is 105. So you observe the figure and find the relation between 105 and x. What is the relation between angle 105 and x? If we take here line L parallel to line A parallel to line B and line L is the transversal. (105) and X is a pair of corresponding angle. Therefore, angle X is equal to 105. Then, if we observe the figure X and Y, angle X and Y is a vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles are congruent. Therefore, angle X is equal to angle Y. We know the value of angle X is 105. Therefore, Y is equal to 105 degree. Then we have to find the value of Z. If we observe the angle Z and 105, what is the relation between these two angles Z and 105? These are the linear pairs. We know linear pairs are supplementary. Therefore, angle Z plus 105 is equal to 180. Reason is linear pair. Then transfer this 105 to opposite side. Therefore, angle Z is equal to 180 minus 105. Therefore, angle Z is equal to 75. So the answers are angle X is equal to 105, Y is equal to 105 degree and Z is equal to 75 degree. If you like this video, then share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.